Have you ever dreamt of dying or something ending and woken up unsettled? Dreams of death can be frightening, but in literature they often mean something much deeper. Tolstoy's characters are haunted by dreams of death, and they reveal how endings and dreams are not just about fear, but about transformation. Today, we'll see how Tolstoy's death dreams can help us understand our own transitions in life. In Tolstoy's novels, dreams of death appear in different forms. Sometimes they are not literal sleep dreams, but visionary states. Other times, they are nightmares that disturb and terrify. Both reveal how Tolstoy understood endings, change, and the human soul. In War and Peace, Prince Andrei is gravely wounded at Austerlitz. What follows is not a dream while sleeping, but a vision, as if he is hovering between life and death. Lying on the battlefield, he looks upward and sees the infinite sky, stretching beyond anything he has noticed before. Instead of fear, he feels peace, even gratitude. He realizes that death is not darkness, but release, a doorway into something larger than life itself. In Anna Karenina, by contrast, Tolstoy gives us a literal nightmare. As Anna's despair deepens, she repeatedly dreams of a peasant with a disheveled beard bent all over the sack, muttering words she cannot understand. The dream fills her with terror. To her, it is an omen, a sign that death is coming. It's inevitable, and whether she resists it or not. Together, these moments show two sides of Tolstoy's art. For Andrei, the vision of death brings clarity and peace. For Anna, the dream of death brings dread and inevitability. In both cases, Tolstoy uses dreams and dreamlike states to show us that death in the imagination is never just about dying. It's about transformation, whether we meet it with fear or acceptance. Even if you've never read Tolstoy, you've probably had a dream of death or endings. Psychologists say these dreams often appear during major life transitions, moving, changing jobs, ending relationships, or stepping into phases of your identity. Freud might call them repressed anxieties about loss. Jung would say death in dreams is one of the most powerful archetypes, not literal, but symbolic of transformation and rebirth. Think about it this way: a death dream may not be about dying at all. It's about part of you ending so that another part can emerge. So when you dream of death, don't panic. Instead, ask yourself, what in my life is ending, shifting, or being left behind? What new stage might this dream be preparing me for? Or how can I move through this transition with more awareness rather than fear? Tolstoy shows us that death in dreams isn't just darkness. It can be a doorway. Tolstoy's characters teach us that death dreams are really about change. They remind us that endings are part of growth and that transformation often begins in the subconscious. In our next episode, we'll explore Gogol's surreal and grotesque dreamscapes and how absurd dreams can help us face chaos in our lives. If this content resonates with you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.